The political slugfest between Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao over the cash for vote scandal is intensifying. Naidu told NDTV that KCR deliberately attacked him, and if he tries to arrest Naidu, his government will end the same day. Naidu is in Delhi and will be meeting with the Home Minister and BJP President Amit Shah today.
Today, the Anti-Corruption Bureau says they've not tapped your phone. They say that you try to help in facilitating cross-trading.
I am telling you, who has publicized that in T channel? That belongs to K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Why should I answer for that first of all? He has taped my conversation, or his TV has done that, or fabricated. Why should I answer for all these things? That is what I am saying. What is the need for me, all these things? One MLC I need in Telangana. Is it that MLC will help me in forming the government? This TRS party wanted to blackmail. They wanted to mudsling, they wanted to operate. They cannot do all these things. They must know their limitations. It is a government. This is a common capital. In common capital, they cannot tap my phones. They cannot.
They say they did not tap your phone.
But I'm saying they claimed earlier. We are having all evidences, not only my evidences, all my party functionaries, my government evidences. We are having all CDs. Like that they spoke. Today they have changed. Why they have changed today? Earlier what they told? They claimed we are having all tapes, all trapping. We are having all evidences. We will expose. Who has exposed? Why they are doing all this blackmailing? I am very clear. We are having all information. The TRS government has been tapping our phones. It is a crime. It has to be established first. They cannot do this type of behavior. Second one, it is a common capital for 10 years. Section 8 is there. Governor is the competent authority to control all these things. For our liberty, for our safety, security, for everything. He is behaving high-handedness. Not only for our government, for our citizens in Hyderabad. He cannot behave as he like. That is what I told him very clearly.
The fact of the matter is that you all are two chief ministers and you all have to work together. You made an attack on the governor saying that how did he allow an MLA to become a minister. Do you want the governor's removal at any stage?
No, I am not talking all these things now. What I am saying, is it ethical?
Absolutely.
One chief minister can do this. Number one. Number two, you are having only 63 MLAs. Can you contest 5 MLCs? Who are trading now? You have to tell that. While doing all these things, during elections, there is a code of conduct. Who has to conduct elections?
Election Commission.
Election Commission has to do everything. Who are you to do your ACB? What is the right you are having? That means you are having power. You are having ACB. You can raid anybody. You can behave as you like. You can have a sting operations or something operations. You wanted to mudsling. Your TV channel can produce a video on me, damaging me. What is the right you are having? Is it right ethically? Your TV, that is a T channel. T channel has publicized my this one. It is only forged. Even every day is leaking to the newspapers. He is going to arrest me. Who are you? I am asking. It is a common capital. What is the right you are having? You are having police, I am having police. You are having ACB, I am having ACB. How can you talk all these things? That means you can talk anything. You can blackmail me.
And do you fear the arrest?
Why should I fear? What is the guts he is having? What is the rule he is having? Who are you? Who is he? If you do like that, that is the last day for him, for his government. What is talking all rubbish? I am the chief minister, elected by people. Ours is sovereign state. We are also having respect, self-respect. You cannot talk all these things.